Want to serve shish taouk that is tender and has a flavor that captivates your customers? Recipe has brought you the seasoning that will get it just right. Prepare the chicken cubes. In a deep bowl, put 4 cups of yogurt, add 200 grams of oil, and 2 cups of concentrated lemon juice. Add the recipe Shish Taouk seasoning bag and mix very well so all the ingredients combine. Put 5 kilograms of chicken pieces into the marinade and mix them well until they are completely coated. You can prepare this marinade and keep it in the fridge for 4 days. Recipe guarantees a strong, distinctive flavor that penetrates the meat fibers and makes it melt in the mouth, with a consistent taste that makes you proud of every skewer served to your customers. Arrange the shish skewers over the heat on the grill and see the clear, appetizing grill marks. The result? Juicy shish taouk, authentic taste, and a look that honors your restaurant's menu. Recipe: the secret behind your restaurant's taste.